My name is Jung-Che Chang, and everyone just call me Alex. And looks like some crazy guys want to see my backpack, so let's do it. This is my backpack. Okay, so yeah, let's start from the side of it. So first of all, this is an umbrella, not British stuff. And then this is my water bottle. Hang on, I got a safety lock on it. So yeah, and the water bottle. Got some coffee inside. Then let's do it layer by layer. Ah yeah, forgot this one. So I got two lovely hooks with me. So it started to been with me from like 15 years ago. So let's start from this layer. We got 3 layers. Okay. So of course, laptop, very useful for a engineering drawing. Then power bricks, of course. After that, mouse, why say not? And a clear socks, just in case the crazy raining is gonna, you know, wet my socks. So that's all for the first layer. Second layer, let's go from, yep, that's my lunchbox. I'm sorry I only got one now, but usually there are 2 with it. So one is my dinner is still inside the fridge upstairs. Then my pencil case. We got a bunch of stuff inside, like scissors, micro SD card. They just took it away, and of course some pen and rulers.
A few moments later.
Yep, insulated tape from, let's see, Deer brand. It is a Japanese brand. You'll never find it in UK. Compass from my father, probably like 35 years old, pointing north but not to south. And a converter, USB converter, and a cable. Yep, I think that's all.